Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to copy a WhatsApp group invite link so you can easily share your group with others. This is an updated method, so let's get started. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Then, go to the group chat for which you want to copy the invite link. Next, tap the group name at the top of the screen. This will take you to the group info section, where you can see the group's details and settings. Once you're in the group info, scroll down until you find the option labeled Invite to Group via Link. It's typically located just above the list of group members or participants. Tap on it. After tapping Invite to Group via Link, you'll see a few options. Select Copy Link. This will copy the group invite link to your clipboard. Now that you've copied the link, you can paste and share it wherever you want. You can send it via messages, email, social media, or any other platform you prefer. Anyone who clicks on the link will be able to join the WhatsApp group instantly. And that's it. You've successfully copied the WhatsApp group invite link and can now easily share it with others. Remember, if you're an admin and want to prevent unwanted people from joining, you can reset the link to generate a new one. This will make the old link invalid. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.